Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want to dominate Brawl Stars with precision controls and a bigger view? Playing on your phone can feel limiting, with cramped screens and tricky touch controls often holding you back. Imagine hitting every super and dodging every attack with the ease of a mouse and keyboard. We'll show you how to transform your gameplay experience using LDPlayer, an updated emulator for 2025, making your matches more enjoyable and much more competitive. LDPlayer stands out as a leading Android emulator, specifically designed for a superior gaming experience on your PC. It's built for speed and compatibility, ensuring your games run incredibly smoothly, even demanding titles like Brawl Stars. With its constant updates, including new optimizations for 2025, LDPlayer keeps pace with the latest Android versions and game requirements, giving you a reliable and powerful platform to play your favorite mobile games. Getting LDPlayer onto your computer is remarkably straightforward. First, head over to the official LDPlayer website to download the most recent version of their installer. Once downloaded, simply double-click the file and follow the intuitive prompts to complete the installation process. It typically takes only a few moments, and soon you'll have a fully functional Android environment ready to run your favorite games, like Brawl Stars, right on your desktop. Once LDPlayer is up and running, getting Brawl Stars is just like installing it on any Android phone. You'll find the familiar Google Play Store icon right on the emulator's home screen. Open it, then use the search bar at the top to find Brawl Stars. Hit the install button, and the game will automatically download and set up within LDPlayer. It's a seamless process, letting you jump into the action very quickly. For the ultimate Brawl Stars experience, you'll want to customize your controls. LDPlayer offers a powerful key mapping tool that lets you assign specific keyboard keys or mouse clicks to any on-screen action, giving you unparalleled precision. Don't forget to tweak the performance settings within LDPlayer as well. Adjusting RAM or CPU usage can ensure super smooth, lag-free gameplay. With these optimizations, you're all set to dominate the arena and truly enjoy Brawl Stars on your PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.